Good morning! This is Mama Shirley from Ang Sarap Grabe. Ngayong araw na ito ay wala nang makapagpipigil pa sa atin na gumawa ng chocolate muffins na hindi na kinakailangan pa ng oven. Sa paggamit ng tsokolate dito sa ating muffins ay mas gugustuhin ko talaga na gumamit ng chocolate bars o yung malalaking bloke at saka ko ito i-chop ng maliliit. Mas masarap kasi ito at mas malinamnam kapag ito ay natutunaw sa ating muffins.
City of mine.
Guys, ito na yata ang pinakamadaling chocolate muffins na magagawa natin dahil dito sa Ang Sarap Grabe ay hindi na tayo gagamit pa ng mga any special tools katulad ng hand mixer or heavy equipments at lalong-lalo na ang oven. Napakadali na itong gawin dahil sa isang bowl ay pinagsama-sama ko ang mga ingredients. Initially, pinag-cream ko muna yung itlog, egg at ang sugar. Tsaka natin dito isala ang mga dry ingredients.
City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life on its complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is city, I met all my best friends. And I wanna thank every brick, I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for...
Kapag nagiging ganito na kalapot ang ating mixture, ay ilagay na natin yung mga natira pang mga ingredients.
Ice place while we roll up a blunt. And me and Jack will get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love this city of mine. It never gets me down.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no.
Maglagay lang tayo dito ng muffin butter sa ating cupcake molder ng 3/4 full. At dito ay eksakto nakagawa tayo ng 6 na piraso. Dito guys, may mapapansin pa tayo, may mga tira-tira na butter dito sa ating bowl. Huwag ito itapon. I-distribute lang natin ito evenly sa 6 na pirasong cupcake liners or molders. At gamit ang malinis na kamay ay maglagay tayo dito sa ibabaw ng another chocolate chunks. Okay guys, bago tayo magpatuloy at kung kayo ay nanonood dito sa ating YouTube channel at hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, please click naman po yung subscribe button at mag-a-appear yung bell, pakiclick yung all para updated tayo sa ating latest recipes. At syempre, huwag din natin kalimutan ang ating Facebook page at syempre, ang Instagram. At dahil sa wala tayong stove, ay gagamit tayo dito syempre ng kalan at ng malaking kaldero. Okay guys, so para tayo ng init, first, i-turn natin yung ating heat sa pinaka-low heat ng ating stove at dahan-dahan lang natin ito pihitin papuntang medium. Pero huwag natin ito yung medium, nasa gitna lang ito ng medium at low heat. Kakailanganan din natin dito ng stainless steel mat para pagpatungan ng ating plato mamaya at para hindi direct na ito ay maipatong sa bottom ng pan at para maiwasan na masunog ang ating muffins. So right after natin mabuksan ng apoy, i-preheat natin ito for 15 minutes na walang buksanan ng takip dahil para ito ay magmistulang oven sa loob ng kaldero at maging compact ang init nito. I-kaldero bake natin ito for 35 minutes. Ito yung itsura niya after 10 minutes. At ito naman ang itsura niya after 20 minutes. At ito naman ang final na itsura ng ating chocolate muffins after 35 minutes. So, i-check lang natin ito ng toothpick at kapag may lumabas na may konting moist at nakumapit sa ating toothpick ay okay na yun. Patayin na natin apoy at ilagay na natin ito sa cooling rack or sa room temperature hanggang sa lumamig at ito ay ready to serve na. And now is done, our chocolate muffins na hindi na kinakailangan pa ng oven. Guys, please don't forget to click the share button sa ating Facebook page, sa YouTube at Instagram para mas marami pa tayong ma-share ng mga recipes. Ayun guys, wala na tayo patumpik-tumpik pa. Kain na po tayo. Hindi na siya mainit. Wow. O guys, kain na po tayo. Guys, siksik na siksik yung ating chocolate muffins. Naku, isang kagat mo pa lang, mabubusog ka na. Grabe, ang sarap. Hindi siya masyadong ganun katamis. Chocolate na chocolate, moist yung loob. Kailangan natin ito hanguin kapag naglagay tayo ng toothpick sa loob at meron pa tayong moist na nakikita. Yun ang eksaktong time na dapat nating hanguin ito sa ating kalan kasi continuous pa naman yung kanyang baking at mamaintain at ang pagka-moisture ng ating muffins. Hop. Ano guys, thank you po sa inyo lahat. Kung meron pa kayo ibang request dito sa ating channel, please write down in comment box below. Thank you. Ayun po guys, be safe, be healthy, and be happy. Bye guys. Bye.